10 days after the Goa nightclub tragedy, the Luthra brothers are finally under arrest. The Patiala House Court in Delhi granted the Goa police 2-day transit remand of Gaurav and Saurabh Luthra. They had initially sought a remand of 3 days. The Luthras are the owners of the Birch by Romeo Lane nightclub, where a massive fire killed 25 people on December 6th. Now, they had fled to Phuket within hours of the incident but were deported from Thailand and dragged back to India on Tuesday. Upon landing in Delhi, the brothers were arrested by the Goa police and they are now likely to be taken to Goa shortly. The Goa police team is expected to land in Goa along with the Luthras at around 11 a.m. today. The club killers will then be taken for questioning and will later be produced before the Mapusa Magistrate Court. So 10 days after the Goa fire, the Luthra brothers have finally been arrested. The killer brothers were taken into custody by Goa police at the Delhi airport on Tuesday. The brothers are likely to be produced before the Mapusa Magistrate Court today after being brought to the state for questioning. Here's a report.
Fugitive Goa club owners are finally in Indian custody. The flight bringing Saurabh Luthra and Gaurav Luthra, owners of the Birch by Romeo Lane, landed in Delhi on Tuesday afternoon. The brothers, who were deported to India from Thailand, were accompanied by Indian team. At the Delhi airport, the Luthras were handed over to a team of Goa police who were waiting in the immigration area to complete arrest procedures. From the IGI airport, they have been brought to Patiala House Court, where the club killers were produced before the duty magistrate. The two brothers had fled to Phuket just 5 hours after the inferno at their nightclub in Arpora that killed 25 people. Indian authorities issued a blue corner notice against them. Their passports were also suspended. Acting on India's request, Thai authorities detained the brothers. Saurabh Luthra and Gaurav Luthra are facing multiple charges, including culpable homicide, not amounting to murder, which attracts a maximum term of 10 years in jail. A detailed review of documents accessed by India Today reveals that the Luthra brothers are listed as directors or partners in 42 different companies and limited liability partnerships. They had set up the Birch by Romeo Lane in Arpora in violation of several norms. The land on which they built their nightclub falls under a no development zone, yet construction was allowed. The nightclub fire tragedy has blown the lid of the nexus between businessmen, politicians, bureaucrats and police in Goa. Bureau Report, India Today.